But every super sports car that rolls out of this Italian factory owes its existence to something as slow as a farm tractor and an ambitious man named Ferruccio Lamborghini.
Well, Ferruccio Lamborghini was practically a farmer.
By the mid-1950s, that farmer had built an industrial empire by manufacturing farm tractors. With his wealth, Ferruccio Lamborghini bought a Ferrari. But Mr. Lamborghini found himself needing frequent clutch repairs on his Ferrari. He had his tractor mechanic look at the problem and discovered his Ferrari used the same clutch as his tractor.
You know, he was putting tractor parts on his beautiful Ferrari.
Soon afterwards, Ferruccio Lamborghini confronted Enzo Ferrari about the perceived clutch problem.
Ferrari told him, "You are a farmer, keep driving your tractors and don't complain about my cars."
Enzo Ferrari's words ignited a fiery Italian rivalry.
Ferruccio Lamborghini was very upset about that, and he told Ferrari, "I will show you how to make a sport car."
In 1963, Ferruccio Lamborghini had built a new factory and was producing his first car, the 350 GT. It had a 12-cylinder, 280 horsepower engine. In 1966, Lamborghini introduced what some consider the world's first supercar, the Miura. Its 12-cylinder engine was moved to the mid-rear position for improved handling.
Ferruccio Lamborghini reinvented the super sports car business with the Miura. He was a trendsetter, a clear trendsetter.
Ferruccio Lamborghini had plans to follow the Miura with a bold new car. But before he could see his new car come to life, he sold his company in 1972 due to financial difficulties in his tractor business and the OPEC oil crisis. 2 years later, in 1974, the car Ferruccio Lamborghini envisaged was released. It was called the Countach.
The whole aspect of the car, so brutal, aggressive, you know, was fantastic.
It marked the debut of the famous Lamborghini scissor doors. The Countach was replaced by the Diablo in 1990. In 1998, Lamborghini was acquired by Audi. The first car released under new ownership was the Murcielago.